摇摆起来哦。
Look at the way they have arranged themselves. I think I need also to tell this guy to take me some photo. I don't know if he will allow.
It's okay, first we can remove this.
How was your night, guys?
Huh?
How was your night?
I don't want to talk about it. This is, I think, this belongs to Safra. We can put it here. How about you, Flip?
Mine too, but
Can you like pull it on your side?
since it's the first time, it's a nice experience.
Yes.
And we never had another time.
Yes. So true. So true.
This thing is not very good. I have to make it fit.
And what was the cover? It's tomato like this. You pack your things for me at the. My back is still hurting so.
My back hurts. I don't have like oh my god. I realize this part is anyway it hurts.
Good morning.
Good morning, morning, bro.
I think Sarfraz enjoyed the sleep so much.
मुझे भी नींद आ रही है. I am so sleepy.
You didn't sleep for how long?
Yeah?
You didn't sleep for long.
Yes, I sleep all of the night.
It needs to be put here.
I am sleeping with
Is there
listening a
also
song.
Yes.
I am start the song and then listen to song and then during
I think that.
during the listening I sleep. Oh, you see my shoe?
Yeah, the shoes are like,
Like a horror movie.
yeah.
I carry this shirt for cold.
Hold this red pen. This time, can I tell you one thing? The washrooms are so good. I don't want to go.
आपको पता है?
You can see, I brought my teeth here and got my face here.
ये दो बाजू वालों में मैंने दोनों पाँव लगा के ना ऐसे कवर करके सीखा है.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You are such a brilliant mind. Andy? I brought my teeth here. Good, good, good. Because when I go there, it was not so rushed.
So the whole night I slept, but songs are playing. My mobile battery is 2%.
Ah, even your power. So you don't have power right
I
now.
have power bank.
Oh, you have power.
I think you can put it here. If you have other trash, you can also put it between the house.
Do you have any trash to put in?
Do you anyone want this green bottle?
No, maybe you can ask the other guys.
You can put the trash hopper here. If someone needs to push, throw something. सरफराज भाई ये खाने का क्या करना है? मेरा नहीं ख्याल से अब तक ठीक पड़ा होगा.
नहीं ठीक है क्योंकि सही तरह था.
अच्छा फिर ले चलें साथ में.
हम नाश्ता कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि बाइक ठंड
बस एक डब्बा
बाइक ठंड थी ना. इसलिए ठीक है. हाँ ये भी है वो आप लेकिन फ्रूट चाट ना.
हाँ हाँ वो भी दिखा दे. वो भी
My vlogging.
Even me, I have one here.
Hard for me. Even I wear very thick clothes.
That is.
My bed in my room very, very comfortable.
Ah,
Soft.
wow. Then you are very lucky.
that will immediately pay. How is opinions. Yeah, we were calling each other.
Yeah, I said I find this really.
How are you? Good morning.
I hope you guys are having good night. It's okay if we don't have good, but maybe someone others have a good night.
Maybe I feel as awful as I.
If you want to attend the washroom, guys, be quick because there will be so rush. Even I wake up early, it was so rush.
No, the bathroom's so bad.
Bad but rush. Sorry, I I didn't add this one.
I want to go. I don't want to go.
But we not having fun.
Yeah. Oh my God! Yesterday the sunny day and today the cloudy day. Yes.
Today is
Yeah.
45% here.
It's lucky us. We not come today.
And tomorrow is rain.
Tomorrow I will sleep all day at my room, so I don't care if
Same here.
rain or not.
Tomorrow I have another plan.
Where are you
You
going?
are a very strong man. You can go
Barbecue
anywhere.
at the river.
Huh?
Barbecue at the river with friends.
Oh, okay, okay.
Barbecue at the river.
Yes.
But you know that one you have to go home.
Huh?
I'm saying when you have a barbecue at the river,
Yeah.
you will go home. But here you can't.
I use it
Not
for
today.
my
Tomorrow.
Can they tell us where is the bus so that we can put all our luggage there?
My power bank is off.
yeah, we can go and talk.
You're mobile.
Huh?
You're mobile.
What?
You're mobile.
Don't we need
My
to
mobile phone.
wait for
This is
I think the bus next to this one.
my other phone.